What to do when he pulls away? While some will advocate walking away, and often it's the right thing to do, most of us want another chance. What you need to happen is for him to move toward you. While you moving toward him might feel good in that you hear his voice or feel his presence, even if it's just in a text, it doesn't restore his pursuit of you. I'm addressing this issue more in the context of a dating relationship. For a marriage relationship, it's more difficult to give the space and silence in the way that I'm describing, but is still necessary. For marriage, it would be more about not demanding conversation or relationship talk when he seems distant. Sometimes relationships need time apart to both foster and heal. All things in life require rest and refreshment, and that includes relationship dynamics. Like our bodies need rest to function correctly, heal and rebuild, men and women sometimes need such things emotionally speaking to be able to participate in the relationship again at full capacity. You can leverage this time to allow him to miss you. It is in losing you that he best learns what he feels for you and develops an appreciation for your role in his life. Unless he experiences time without you, he can't miss you or learn that he does not want to be without you. So whereas we tend to think that relationships ideally should be a constant and unending flow of communication and togetherness, the romantic and passionate moments we crave will lack intensity and frequency if there is not enough time apart. A relationship's natural flow should be like breathing, in that a couple moves in and out, to and away from each other regularly. This natural flow allows us to have an identity as a couple and as individuals. Time apart will draw him towards you. We must let the one we love time to rekindle with himself for him to make the most meaningful contributions to the relationship we share with him. If you can muster the discipline to allow him space and silence when he pulls away, you will give your relationship the breath it needs to make it long-term. Leaving him alone doesn't feel as good and seems to be tossing fate to the wind. However, it gives you more control over the situation in the following ways. 1. It prevents matters from getting worse. If the one you love has said he needs space, you only make matters worse by not leaving him alone and giving that space to him. When you stay when you're not welcome, what do you think happens? He may resent you, feel awkward, and want you to leave even more. 2. It gives him the opportunity to miss you. As humans, we often don't know what we had until it's gone. That's not just a cliché. It's true. Time apart can be so good for a relationship, because it is only during that time that he can miss you and want to come closer to you. If you are texting, calling, showing up, liking his posts, and asking his friends about him, he cannot miss you. 3. It raises the attraction he feels for you. When you gracefully allow space, you prevent the attraction he feels for you from decreasing. That is because when you don't chase, you show strength and confidence, which are attractive qualities. These things alone can poke the fires of attraction, and when combined with him missing you and, then, beginning to wonder if he's lost you, your appeal goes up in his mind, and he's more likely to come back. All these things are likely much better than your current situation.